Hey, what's going on YouTube? So it's Nathan back here with another one, bringing to you a new video. So today I mentioned that this is the end of the Fire TV as we know it. We can reflect on Amazon Fire TV not giving you as many advertisements back then. You can also reflect on a time where you could just download the app. But now, as you can see, we are being prompted to subscribe and download the app now. So what does this mean? Is this the end of the Fire TV as we know it? It's a lot of changes being made. A lot of this is supposed to make you feel a little bit more at ease by the convenience of you being able to subscribe to a particular service. So this is Paramount Plus, and as you can see, it says subscribe and download app. So before, you would just get a download button. All you have to do is click the download, and then you would have the option after you open up the individual app to subscribe. So you'll see this subscribe and download app. Down below it says $59.99 annually. So now you're being prompted with a dollar amount to download these apps now. So instead of you just downloading the app and then being prompted for purchasing the product that you just downloaded, it's trying to make it more convenient for you to where you click on the app and you're immediately subscribing to that service, whether that be $60 annually, or if you wanted to see additional options, you can come to the right here and click on subscription options. If you click on subscription options, you can click down and they offer you the monthly amount of what it would be. So they have a $5.99 package and a 1 week free trial, at $11.99 monthly package with a 1 week free trial. So one of these is with the ads, one of these is with the without the ads, which is the $11.99 option. So they're trying to make it more convenient, but I can also see a huge red flag for me when it comes to using these apps where you're going to be able to download and subscribe to them at the same time. So I have kids, and with the kids, once they grab the remote, now they can begin clicking on these buttons. So I went ahead and set up my parental controls. That way, once you click on subscribe, you're not immediately being prompted. So I don't have it turned on right now. So this is what you would get. You would click on that item and then it'll say confirm and subscribe, and then it'll charge your card from there. As you can see, it says pay with Visa, and that's the credit card that it would pay with. So if you click the back button, so I went back to my settings here. If that's as alarming as it is to me as it is to you, what you want to do is come in here to the settings. Come into the settings and go over to account and profile settings. You want to come in here and we want to set up the parental controls. So once accounts and profile settings shows up, you just come down here, click on parental controls, click on that. Once it loads up, you want to turn parental controls on, and what this does, it gives you the option to protect purchases. So you want to turn on the protection of purchases, where you have to click on a PIN number in order to purchase an item completely. You can also set a PIN number if you wanted to protect the apps that launch. So if you don't want any apps to launch at all, you can set the PIN number to be turned on whenever you launch an app. Sometimes I find a little bit inconvenience of that, so I have that option turned off, but you can turn it on if you wanted to. And then you can protect your photos if you had any photos on your Amazon Fire TV. So does this really change the experience? So let's check this out. So let's go ahead and go to Find. We're looking for App Store. All right, so I'm in the App Store. If I come down here to the section where it says top subscription apps, we have MGM Plus. If I click on that, all right, so you can see you're being prompted here as well. You have the 6 months on MGM Plus for this app, and if you click on download, it'll try to subscribe you to that service. So as you can see right here, it's prompted me 6 months of MGM Plus on us. If I click on start 6-month trial, I'll show you how that PIN code protects us. So that's what you'll get. If anybody prompts on that screen and then tries to proceed through that screen, that's where the PIN code is going to protect you. So just keep that in mind. So I'm back here on the subscription list. Let's go to NFL. If I click on NFL, same thing here. It's offering to subscribe us for $14.99 a monthly. There's also additional subscription options. You can download the app only if you just wanted to download the app to check it out, or you can do both. You can subscribe to the service and download the app. So that is convenient, but at the same time, it's a little pushy as far as trying to get my money. Clicked on Discovery Plus, clicking on Hulu. So just by scrolling through some of these apps, you can see how some of these apps are prompting you now to subscribe to certain services that you probably wouldn't have opted in had it not been offered here. So I kind of see where Amazon's going, make it convenient for you to purchase and try new things out, but at the same time, once again, it's a little pushy and it could deter a lot of people from using the Amazon Fire Stick any longer. But you let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what you think of this new update, if you've received it, and if you're being prompted to opt in to different subscription services. So let me know your experience down in the comment section below. But thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.